Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're building a simple and smart automatic parking gate system using Arduino. Let's dive into this all components that you will need in this project. First, Arduino board, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, and also breadboard, and many of jumper wire. And don't forget to use a car toy to simulate parking. In order to start, you can pause the video and use this diagram as a reference. And now let's wire everything up. Connect the trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor to the pin 6. Echo pin goes to pin 7. PCC to 5V and ground to ground. For the servo motor, signal to pin 9. PCC to 5V and ground to ground. Double check your connection before moving on. And now after we set up all the wiring, it's time to upload the code. And everything you need in this project, you will get it in the description. And when you are done with uploading the code in the project, here is how it will look like. And that's it. A simple and effective parking gate using Arduino. Perfect for beginners and small projects. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cool Arduino projects. You can comment below any project that you need to see here. See you in the next one.